Alrighty, here is my new addition to my chainsaw collection. It's a Sears 355 83130. I did some research on it yesterday. It was built by Strunk, same as their 319, built 1954 to 56. Checked it out when I got it yesterday. It does have spark, it's got good compression. Engine is a Tecumseh Power Products AH47, 77 cc's. I'm going to give it a squirt of mix and have it run for a few seconds, hopefully. So let's see what happens. So here goes nothing. Cool. So we got it to run for a few seconds. Just got to go through the fuel system now. Got a Tillotson MD series carburetor on it. So I'll clean the tank. I will also obviously go through the carburetor, probably make a new bowl gasket for it, and be good to go. Thanks for watching.